Hello. In this episode, we will learn how to control the workflows and develop workflows that will serve your business end to end. In our last episode, we created these columns. Let's head to our whiteboarding to see how we are designing it and how many automation will be created. So it is good when you are designing a system, it is very important to think end to end. So imagine someone is submitting a new request. The ideal way to handle it is you should send an acknowledgement right after someone sent a request. If it is a business request for any new request, you should be able to send an acknowledgement to the other person so they know we received it and working on that. So what we will do is we will develop an auto acknowledgement, right? So auto acknowledgement email or trigger to the person who actually requested it. So requester. Then we will also develop if we need more details. So for example, need more info trigger. So need more info trigger. Then we will develop assignment alert sent. So we will say assignment alert sent. This is for the analyst level. So what the analyst will do is they will get to know as soon as you add an analyst or assign an analyst to a particular project, a notification will be sent to the analyst. So analyst can understand or know what kind of project is assigned and make a plan for this project to completion. So that is about this analyst alert. Then SLA agreement or reminder alert. So for example, you created one high priority project list, and in this project you want the analyst to remind of that this project is due in 2 days. So you can create an SLA reminder sent. Then you can create a completion notice sent to the manager. So these are the automation we will create on top of what we already created. So let's head back to our Smartsheet automation workflow and we'll build there. So we go to automation and heat manage automation workflows, create from scratch. So this is our number 4, which is the auto acknowledgement sent. And this would be to when rows are added, then you can send the communication to the contact that you already have on the automation. So you can select alert someone. And here, as you see, send to specific people, you will select send to contacts in cell. And in here, as you see, requester name is showing up. So you select requester name, and this person will be notified of the automated alert. So what you can put on the subject line is request received, and what you can do also write a small personal email to that person. You can say thank you so much for your request, thank you so much for the request. We are taking a look at it and we'll contact you if we need more info. If we need more info. Best. So with this little email, you could just tell them, hi. So it's a personal email to that person, so that person will be assured that we're working on that. You could just send a message only, or you can send the entire row for them to know what they have submitted. So what I would do is I would select links to the sheet and all fields plus this message. So I'll hit save in here. That's our 4th automation. Then 5th automation we will build is need info trigger. So if we go to the information, then we see business decision. If business decision is not correct and we feel like this is blank, so in that case we will develop a kind of validation column or need more info. So let's go to our number 5 automation. So what we will do is right over here, number 5th automation, which is need more info. So this particular automation will run on a helper column, and we will design it right now. So if you go to here, if any rows are added, send automation or alert to someone. So for now, let's keep it this way, and we will hit back to right over here, assuming you need more information about this particular column. So this is another a system design column that would be very helpful for you. So after the known source column, we will say info trigger. Info trigger, and that is a drop down, yes or no, more info. Okay, so here we'll say select and then hit OK. Selected. Now go to automation again. If you go to the automation, need more info, we will go to, again, let's review it, when rows are added, and we will add a condition here, add a condition, and the condition would be trigger the column we just added, info trigger more info. If yes, then we send it back to the cell value, and which is the requester name. And the requester name right over here, you have need more information. Please review and provide details of the business case and associated data sources. And we're saving it now, and anytime you trigger it, this will send an automated email to the person who submitted it, which is very helpful sometimes, because in business, from your perspective, when you're submitting something, may not be enough when you look at the other person on the other side. So it's very helpful, and I often use it in my business use cases. The sixth automation we are going to add, which is the assignment alert sent. So we will go back to our master sheet and we will review who did we assign and who was the analyst name. So assigned analyst. We will change this value from drop down to the contact list. So Alicia Khan and Alan Donald, they already have two column, and it's called a dictionary data type. So in this column and dictionary data type, what you do is you hit OK and select one person. So hit OK, and when you do that, then what you do is hit save and go back to the automation, and then add a new automation in here. The new automation would be number 6, which is assignment alert sent. Assignment alert sent, added or changed, alert someone. If you go to right here, contact, you have assigned analyst, click on that, and the person you selected will receive the notification. You should change your settings to unrestricted in here. So with this approach, you will not have any trouble for your notifications. So right here, and then you can select again, new project assigned. Hi, you could make it more personalized, which is like this. You could select the column name, which is the assigned analyst, and say here, hi, Alicia, a new project has been assigned. Please review it and let me know if you have any questions. by 𝗕𝗺𝗶𝗹 today and hit save. So that's our number 6th automation. So that's all for today from this episode. We have learned how to create more workflows to send to the requester, to the assigned person or assigned analyst, and we also have successfully added automation on when more information needed or acknowledgement email. Don't forget to see the next episode, which is on the report. We will design one weekly report to send to the director, which would be extremely helpful for your director to know what's happening and report to the VPs if needed. And also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.